Hello guys, let's continue this differentiation and we'll pick up some more questions and we'll try to solve it. Okay, the first question for today is going to be f of x is equal to square root of x minus x cube under root minus 8x. Okay, so this is the given function and we need to find the differentiation of it. Okay, so how do you represent the differentiation of f of x? F dash x. Okay, okay, so differentiation of f of x with respect to what? X. Okay, so differentiation usually will be with respect to x-axis. Differentiation could be with respect to t also. If x-axis is time,
Why?
it will never be, because if x is moving, like why it is changing when we are moving in x direction, how the system is behaving in the y direction. Okay, so that is why we mostly do with respect to x, with respect to time also. For example, if it is a displacement time, x-axis will be represents the time and y-axis will represent the displacement. So in such cases, we do a differentiation with respect to time. Okay, so let's do the differentiation of f of x. So what is the differentiation of square root of x?
Square root of x.
1 by 2 times x to the power of
Super, yeah. Okay.
1 by 2x to the power of minus 1.
Minus half.
minus 1.
Yeah.
Minus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is given in this form. So we need to write it in the index form. Okay. X to the power of 1 by 2 minus x power. What is the power here?
2 by 3.
No.
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
3 by 2 minus 8x. So the differentiation is normal. Now it is in the x to the power of n form. So what is the differentiation? N into x to the power of n minus 1. So half x power minus half. This one 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. How much is it? 1 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2.
No, 1 by 2.
Yeah, so how come that half is like minus half?
Half minus 1. If you reduce 1, if you subtract 1 from half, you will get a minus half. If you subtract 1 from here, you will get a half. Okay. So how about 8x? What is the differentiation of 8x? 8. Okay. Yeah, that's it. If you want to further write this one, you can write this one as
root minus x.
no.
Root minus x.
Minus root x.
This can also be written as in the form of root. How can you write?
In the form of root
x squared.
no. 1 by x.
1 by x power 1 by 2. Can we write like this?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so which is
also-
square root
yeah.
of x.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Is that okay? That's how you need to translate. This is in the power form, index form, and this is in the root form. Okay, so this can be square root of x. Sorry, okay? And here it is 3 by 2 root x. Here it is 8. Okay? So the questions can also be asked in this form. Okay, don't confuse like I know only the formula for x to the power of n. Okay, this also can be written in the form of a base and power. Okay, so that is one such example. Okay, so that's it. Okay, either you can leave it here or you put it in this form and leave it. Okay, this is the answer. This is what? Differentiation of f of x, which can also be written as f dash x. F dash x. Okay, differentiation of f of x with respect to x is also written as f dash x. Okay, so that is one question for today. And the second question is same as what we discussed yesterday. There is one curved line is given. The equation of that line is, so this is y-axis, this is x-axis. There is a line which is, there is a line which is going like this.
No, it isn't there.
No, yeah, this is not a line, this is a curved line. Okay, so this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So what is the equation of this curved line? F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 5x square plus x minus 3. Okay, so this is f of x. What is the equation for this curved line? This is that equation. Okay, so how many roots it's going to have? 3 roots. That is why it cut x-axis at how many places?
3.
3 places. Okay, so where are those places? This is one place and this is
2 places.
2 places because it touch and go. Okay, it did not cross it, but it touched and go, which we consider it as a 2 roots. Okay, so this is having 3 roots. Okay, all right. So what is it asked here? Okay, write down f dash x. Okay, this is f of x is given. Write down the f dash x. What is f dash x?
It is slope like
Differentiation of f of x. It's a slope form of f of x. The slope equation of f of x. It's not a slope form, it's a slope equation. Or a differentiation of f of x. Or a derivative of f of x with respect to x. Okay, this is x-axis, right? With respect to x. So what is f dash x?
3 2 is 6x square.
6.
X square.
Very good. You,
plus,
Krishni, what is the next term?
plus 10x
Plus 10x
10x
plus
Plus
1
plus 1.
Zero.
0.
So,
Okay, you don't have to put. Okay, so this is the slope equation of f of x. Okay, see here the slope equation is not a fixed. At every point the slope is varying. Here different slope, here different slope, here different slope. How do you find the slope at this point?
when
keep
when
the
when
heart
point
rate.
is-
Okay, keep whatever is the x here, keep that x here in this one, you get the slope. Okay, again, with one point you cannot find the slope, but the concept here is that assuming that you slice, you take a smallest slice around this point and then find the slope. Okay, x tends to 0, like the delta x tends to 0. Alright, so that is f of x. Okay, there is also one straight line which is, there is also one tangent to this line which is cutting this line, cutting this curved line at a point 0, minus 3. Okay, this is the point this line is cutting.
And then keep the minus.
Okay.
No,
So,
keep the
what is the next
0
question?
in place of x.
find the slope of the tangent. Okay,
Keep-
slope of this tangent.
Keep the 0 in place of x.
Keep 0 in place of
X
x.
and then solve it.
You will get the slope.
Yeah.
You will get the slope of what?
Of the line.
No, of this equation, of this curve at this point.
Yeah. Or on or the
Yeah.
line.
Okay, this point you will get the slope of this curved line. Okay, because it is cutting this, because this line is a tangent to this curve at this point, you will not only get the slope of this curved line, that is also the slope of this straight line.
Yeah.
At this point, the slope of this curved line and the slope of this straight line is same. Okay, you can get the slope by keeping a 0 here. Okay, is it the same slope you will see here? No. Okay, no. Okay, fine. Yeah, so you're getting some slope here. Is it the same slope you're going to get here?
Yes.
Yes, because it is a straight line, it maintains the same slope throughout its journey, throughout its traversal. Okay, so let's put the slope, let's find out the slope of this curved line at this point. So f dash 0. Why I put 0? Because you're finding it out at x, when x is 0. So let's put, when you put 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1
Equal to 1.
is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 is the slope of this curved line at this point, and 1 is also
Which
the
is
slope,
also the slope of that straight line.
slope of this straight line. Okay, so you know the slope, you know the y-intercept, it's easy to find the line equation. How do you find? Y is equal to
mx plus
mx, 1x, which is
1x
x, plus c. What is c?
0
C, what is c?
c.
Hmm?
C.
Substitute y and x and y.
No, what is c? Y-intercept is already given, minus 3. You don't have to find it out.
Yes.
Okay, y-intercept, if something else is given, then you need to find the c. But in this case, y-intercept is already readily given, so you don't have to worry too much. Okay, it's going to be minus 3. Okay, this is the line equation for this one. There are many questions asked. Okay, you need to understand the concept. Find the slope equation of this curved line and see the tangent where it is cutting it. Okay. Okay, so by keeping that coordinate in this slope equation, I'm repeating again, by keeping this point in this slope equation, we'll get the slope of this curved line at this point. Because these two are meeting the same slope, that is also the slope of this straight line at this point. Because it is a straight line, it is the same slope everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, that slope we are using it to get the line equation. Okay, so this is the second question. Okay, so in the derivatives there is also a concept called chain rule. Let's see what is the chain rule here. Okay, so you know the differentiation of this one with respect to x. Say for example, if it is y, what is y? Y dash, it's going to be 6x. Okay, that's fine because this is only single term. For example, x square plus x, everything is under square root. How do you find it out?
Or maybe square y square.
Hmm?
Y square.
This is where the chain rule we need to apply.
I square equal to 3x square plus x
No.
and then
So the rule goes like this. For example, dy by dx can also be written as dy by du into du by dx. Du gets cancelled. We get dy by dx eventually. Okay. In this case, what is u?
What is u?
What is u? Consider this whole thing as a u. Okay. Okay. In that case, you have to differentiate y with respect to u first, and then differentiate u, the inner part. Inner part with respect to x. Okay. So when you differentiate this whole thing with respect to u, okay, the whole thing you consider it as a u. So differentiate it with respect to differentiate y with respect to u. So the whole thing can be written as 3x square plus x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So when you differentiate it, whole to the power of 1 by 2 will come here. 3x square plus x 1 by 2 minus 1. Isn't it? Are you getting? No.
Yeah.
You got it, right?
Yeah.
What is the power for this one?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2 has come here, and you kept the same thing here, and you differentiated it. Okay.
That's the first idea I got.
Okay, this is the first thing. And second thing, this part is completed because you treated the whole thing as a single variable and differentiated it. Now you differentiate the inner part. Okay, we already discussed a long time ago. Okay, so differentiate the inner part. So
6x plus 1.
plus 1. Put everything under bracket. If you want to simplify this one, if you want to write it in a different form, how do you write? 3x square plus x whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. 6x plus 1. Okay? dy by dx. So how can we write this one again? Minus 1 by 2.
Multiply.
No.
No. Root.
Root.
Half root 3x square plus half root.
How can we write this one? How can we write in a different form? In the root form?
Half 1 by
Simple. X to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by x to the power of n.
1 by x to the power of 1 by 2.
1 by?
X to the power of, 3x squared plus x. 1
No.
by
1 by?
3x squared plus x whole to the power of 1 by 2.
Which is?
It's root.
Root.
Root 3x squared plus x.
X square plus x. Here 6x plus 1. You need to keep everything in bracket. This one you need to
And then multiply half and x plus 1.
You cannot multiply it. This is half now. It will be at the denominator only. Is there any way that you can simplify? No, I doubt. We can't simplify.
We
You can simplify. Say if it is a 2 here, then you can take 2 common. But there's only 1, right? If it is 2 here, you can take 2
No,
common
Baba,
and then you
then
strike off 2 and 2. What is this
6x plus 1. You put
In the
at the
numerator.
1, yeah. And then do it, and then
That's it.
into half.
2 is multiplying this
Oh,
one
yeah.
and 6x plus 1 is at the
Oh, so
numerator.
aren't we doing this way, like half by root 3x square plus x into 6x plus 1?
Half by again.
Yeah.
No. Both are same.
Okay.
Okay, both are same. This is the chain rule. Okay. So I'm treating y is equal to, assuming this is u. This is whole part is u. What is u here? 3x square plus x. What is the chain rule says? Differentiate it with respect to u. dy by du into du by dx. Differentiate it with respect to u. This part, if you differentiate it, what do you get? Half
3x
u to the power of
square.
1 by 2 minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
What is u? This part. With respect to x, what will you get? You know that 6x plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is here? U to the power of minus half, which is, what is u here? This
That
one.
Yeah.
Okay. That is a chain rule. Okay. Chain rule. This is called inner function. This is the outer one, the inner function. Okay. There could be multiple things. The same chain, you need to
Like
expand it.
plus again root.
Yeah. Again, you can expand it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so one more question. Let's do it one more question. One last question for today. G of x is given as x cube minus x square plus 4. Okay. Find differentiation of g of x with respect to x, which is g dash x.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you get?
3x square.
3x square
Squared
minus 2x
2x
plus,
plus 1.
no, 0.
No, 0.
0.
No.
Okay.
When do you get 1?
X.
No, it's
X.
When there.
no, I didn't keep. Yeah. Okay. So the question is also asked to find out g dash minus 5. What is this one?
Place minus 5 in terms of x.
No, g dash
Minus x.
x. Okay, g dash
X.
minus 5. Place
Minus
super,
5.
yeah, minus 5 whole square minus 2 x. Sorry, minus 25. So simplify it.
3 into 25 is
3 into 25, 3 into minus 25.
No, minus 5 whole squared first.
What did you get?
3 into
25 times 3 is 75.
75, very good.
Plus 10.
Plus 10. How much you get?
85.
85 is the answer. Okay. It is simple. Chain rule is something that you learned today. Okay. Expressions given in this form, you need to do it. You need to do it using a chain rule. Okay. So these are the individual terms. X cube is individual term. X square is a term. 4 is a term. It's easy to apply the differentiation. Okay. For each term, you do a differentiation and keep writing it like that. But whereas here, you need to, yeah. So you need to apply the chain rule. This is where you need to apply the chain rule. Okay, something like this is given. X by root x by x cube. So what is the differentiation of it? For example, y is equal to this one. How do you simplify it? Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 by x cube. So if you simplify it, x by x power 1 by 2 minus 3, which is going to be
Oh yeah, that one, like
minus 2.5. Keep
minus
this as
2
2.
and-
Minus 5 by 2.
Minus 5 by 2, very good, yeah.
yeah, and
Super, yeah. And then differentiate it.
Yeah.
That's simple, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, equations can be given in any form, but you need to convert it in a form where you can apply this x to the power of n formula. Differentiation of x to the power of n is what? N into x power n minus 1. Okay. Leave it here and we'll take another session as we come back.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.